Hello, guys. I hope you are doing really well. So today we're going to talk about a subject, the singular and the dual and the plural in Arabic, standard Arabic language. But before we get started, please like and subscribe, and you can follow me on social media. I share more videos there. So, um, in Arabic language, we don't have only singular and plural. We have something called dual. Okay. So duo, we use it when we talk about two people. So let's begin with singular. Singular called al-mufrad. 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 So al-mufrad basically we use it for one person or one animal or one thing. Okay. For example, here we have walid, walid, one boy, mufrad, bint, bint, one girl, kitab, kitab, one book, kitab, قلم قلم مفرد بيت بيت مفرد. So the singular form is the basic form of the word. So if we want to address to something, we always use the mufrad, okay? And we don't use the definition. Say قلم here, there is no definition here. ولد بنت كتاب. The definition is ألف and لام. ولد بنت كتاب قلم or what? It is the basic form. And we have the dual. It is new for you. Al-Muthanna. Al-Muthanna. And Al-Muthanna, it's a form, it's a noun form. We use it to address to two people. Yeah, this is new for the European, yeah, the Latin language, for two people. So in the nominative case, uh, for for uh, this concept, nominative, accusative, and so on. We will see that in detail and in the next videos. Don't worry about it. Um, so if we have nominative case, we use the alif like a long vowel here, and we use noon and kasra ni, ni, ni. And we have another form accusative, yi, ni. We have ya here, okay, as a consonant, yeah, and we have that sukun that can see it, sukun, a circle, small circle, and we have noon and we have kasra here below, ni, ni. Let's see some examples. So walad will be waladani in the nominative case. Waladani. And accusative will be waladaini. See, we add ini. Here we add the alif, the long vowel that uh, will be affected by the last letter del, da, ni. Bint, bint, bintani, bintani, bintani. The accusative form bintay وأديني بنتين بنت بنتين كتاب 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 let's add an ألف let's add an نون ني كتابان كتابان كتابين آني يني كتابين قلم قلمان قلمان we add ألف and نون with the kasra ني قلمان قلمين قلمين. So we have two forms and they can change depends on their position in the phrase. So it's whether it's nominative or accusative. We will see that later in detail. بيت بيتان بيت إيدني. So let's see all this together. ولدان بنتان كتابان قلمان بيتان ولدين بنتين كتابين قلمين بيتين. So this is المثنى. So the double, the المثنى used for two. We don't use it for one or for three and plus or two people. That's it. And we have, of course, the plural. The plural we use it for three people or more, three plus. Okay, and we have two me plural type. So in the plural in Arabic, it's it's affected by the gender. So if we address a group of men, it's not the same to address a group of women. All right. So the plural for a masculine noun, it's not the same plural for the feminine noun. Let's see example. So here, as we see in muthanna, uh, the the suffix that we add, it's always affected by whether it's whether the noun is nominative or accusative. So as you see here, you can add well and no, where this is a long vowel, and you can add aya as the long vowel as well. So un or in. Let's see these examples. مدرس مدرس مدرسون. So we imagine this is the nominative case. We have added here مدرس. We have added wa and nun, well long vowel and na. So here مدرس did seen got a dhamma. Why? Because dhamma goes with well. Dhamma is a short vowel and well is the long vowel if they go together. مدرس and you make it longer so and na مدرسون مدرسون. طالب طالبون طالب طالبون. More examples. معلم معلمان معلم معلمان معلم معلمين معلم معلمين طالب طالبين. We see here we add yeah as a long vowel and na. Yeah and na as a suffix to the masculine plural nouns. مهندس مهندسين. طبيب طبيبين. محامي محامين. قاضي قضاة or قاضين. This is irregular. Okay. قاضي or قاضي قضاة or قاضين. مسلم مسلمين. مؤمن مؤمنين. مسافر مسافرين. موظف موظفين. مدير مديرين. مترجم مترجمين. محاسب محاسبين. مصور مصورين. مبرمج مبرمجين. So that's for the masculine plural. So let's talk about here the feminine sound plural. So if we have a noun, feminine noun, the 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 suffix, the plural suffix will be different. So if we have ta, as we see before, in the most feminine noun, have ta marbuta at the end. This one, ta marbuta. So for the plural, we change it to alif as a long vowel and ta. as you see here. Let's see this example. So we have beans, banat. We have, this is irregular, irregular. Beans doesn't have ta, so this is irregular. Banat, you have to remember it. And we have this, we have طالبة, ta مربوطة at the end. Okay. So we change it to elephant ta. So it will be طالبات, طالبات. سيارة, we have ta at the end. So this ta is will it have to be changed to elephant ta. Okay, so سيارة, 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 سيارات. طالبة, طالبات. And we have some, we have something called جمع تكثير, Moroccan plural, جمع تكثير. And this one uh, do not have a specific rule. You just have to remember them. Okay. كتاب, كتب. بيت, بيوت. ولد, أولاد. رجل, رجال. قلم, أقلام. So those kind of words do not have that pattern that we have seen before. So at the end, I have an exercise for you guys. So I have given you uh, four words, and you have to give me the devil for this word, the plural here, and the devil, the مثنى here, and for kitab you have to give me plural. Okay, you apply the rules that we have seen so far. So that's it, guys, for today. If you have any questions, if you need more explanation, just tell me. And I hope you are doing well with your Arabic journey. And see you next time. Thank you.